Hey everybody, welcome to your introductory video for chapter 7. This is going to be a chapter where you have to do a lot of work. So there's going to be 3 different video assignments that you'll need to do, so you need to plan those. You need to make sure you have somebody film those assignments for you. If you just set your phone on the floor and try to film yourself, it's not really going to be very good quality. So to get the best grade possible, you need to make sure that you have somebody, a friend or a parent or somebody to help you film those. So let's look at what we've got in this chapter. So this is muscular fitness. So we're looking at muscular fitness and strength training. It's really what we're looking at. You'll have your pre-test just like you do in every chapter. You can do that as many times as you need to, and we'll keep the highest grade. There's a video about what makes muscles grow. So this will give you the real basics of how your muscle fitness works, and make it really clear what you need to do in order to have the best muscular fitness, because health and wellness is really what we're looking for, and having your skeletal muscles strong is going to be really important to your overall health. There's a quiz associated with that, and then I've got a warm-up and 3 different tests. So we're testing your muscular fitness is what we're doing. So the warm-up you need to make sure you do before you do the exercises so you can perform the best you can. The curl-up test, these are similar to the FitnessGram test. They're actually part of the FitnessGram test. The curl-up test, these are sit-ups. So when you do these, there's a video showing you how to set it up, and then there's an audio, because you need to be able to test against a certain standard. So this week you may be able to do 25 sit-ups, and next week maybe you can do 30 sit-ups. But you need to make sure that you do the sit-ups with the exact same technique every time you do the test. And you need to make sure that you use the exact same rhythm. So you don't do sit-ups fast one week and slow the next week. But this audio file will help you do it at the right rhythm. And then here's some standards of how those tests should be performed, so you know whether you're in good health or not. That's pretty much the same setup for all of those tests. There's a sit-up test, which is called a curl-up test, a push-up test, and a trunk lift test. To do the curl-up test, you'll need some tape, so you'll need to be able to put some tape on the floor. To do the trunk lift test, you'll need a ruler, so you can just get a 12-inch ruler. You can buy one of those at a store probably for less than $1, but you'll need a ruler. And then you'll have your post-test. This is your open book test. It'll explain a lot about your muscular system and how muscles really work and how to improve your muscle fitness. And then the last thing is a discussion question. This week's discussion is a little bit different. What you're going to do here is you're going to go to fitnessblender.com. This is a great website. It's free. It's actually a married couple who makes workout videos, and you'll select a strength training video from their website. All of these videos are also on YouTube, and then you will copy and paste the URL into this discussion. So you'll share a video that you like and put it in the discussion, and then explain to the class why you like that particular video. But Fitness Blender is a great resource. It is free. Their videos are very well put together, and there's a lot of variety there. You can do 15-minute workouts, you can do 45-minute workouts, however you want to do it. Some workouts involved weights and equipment, some of them don't involve equipment. So you can go and find the kind of workout videos that fit your resources and your lifestyle, so that you can improve your muscular fitness. If you have any questions this week, send me a message through Canvas, and I'll be glad to help you. Good luck.